From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your evening weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Are you in need of a mortgage? Volunteer Home Mortgage is here for you 7 days a week. Whether you're in Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, or even beyond that, Jerry and her expert team are ready to help you with purchases, refinances, and so much more. Don't wait. Call them tonight, 865-238-7500, or visit them online at volunteerhomemortgage.com. All right, we've had severe weather move its way through East Tennessee, and some incredible hail. Upwards of golf ball size hail fell around East Tennessee throughout the day today. We've got some great time lapses to share with you as well. I want to take you to Hardin Valley. This is the Orange Hat Brewing camera looking off to the north and northwest. And we had some morning rain showers, overcast gray skies. Watch this, though. The skies cleared on out. Instability happened pretty quickly. Our upper level energy moved its way on through. And you'll see the storms explode as we get the sunshine for the second part of the day. Started to really build about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, where we started to track severe weather. There's that storm right there. That was a severe warned storm, and it was that storm in and of itself that produced upwards of golf ball size hail. Take a look at this photo coming in, upwards of a 1 3/4 inch hail, which signifies severe hail around the area. All right, let's go ahead and talk about our live view here at, it's not your 6 o'clock. We were doing live severe weather coverage, but anyways, this was just before sundown on Thursday evening. The calm after the storm, although it's not totally over yet, because we still have storms that are going to settle on in as we head through the overnight hours and even through our Friday. So as we highlight this in a little bit more detail, show you the 3-hour radar loop, still have some energy sliding its way out of Middle Tennessee. So we're going to be watching that closely as we head through the overnight hours. And then some wraparound energy and moisture on into our Friday is going to keep those rain showers going throughout the day on Friday. Not severe weather, just instability showers. So again, we're going to be watching those storms. You can track them with us as well. Download the East Tennessee Weather app, scan that QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen as we track the potential for more strong or severe thunderstorms coming out of Middle Tennessee back onto the Cumberland Plateau. Now, we do still have a severe thunderstorm watch until midnight tonight. The Storm Prediction Center had put us earlier today under a level 1 and level 2 risk, so that still continues, and we still have the potential for some large hail. So hail upwards of 1 inch to 1 3/4 inches in diameter. That's golf ball size hail possible. Isolated flooding and flash flooding concerns. We did have one single flash flood warning for Morgan and also Anderson County, and we could see some strong damaging wind gusts through the overnight hours. When we talk hail sizes, again, 1 inch diameter hail is the severe criteria for a severe thunderstorm, and anything larger than that. But again, today we saw 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and even 1.75 inch hail, which is ping pong and golf ball size hail. Incredible amounts of energy in the atmosphere and instability. So as we progress through the rest of our nighttime hours, we're going to continue to track in some showers, some thunderstorms. They could become strong or severe. Low pressure system is going to continue to swing on through during the day on Friday, so some morning rain showers are looking probable, especially across upper East Tennessee. And then some instability, wraparound moisture around this low pressure system throughout the day on Friday. So do keep those umbrellas handy. It's going to be a cooler and cloudier day on Friday. Of course, we'll talk about that with your 7-day forecast in just a moment. Additional rainfall above and beyond what we've already seen. We could see anywhere from 1/10, quarter, half, to even 3/4 of an inch of rain all the way through Friday night. Now, Thursday, we did top out in the mid to upper 60s, 50s in Tri-Cities, but upper 70s in the Chattanooga community. So some of those forecast high temperatures were above and beyond what we were forecasting. Some of them a little bit cooler than forecast, but either way you slice and dice it, we had those rain showers kind of stick around. That's why we had some cooler temperatures in the Tri-Cities area. Overnight lows tonight drop down into the 40s. A mild start to our day. We're going to have a cooler day. We're only going to top out in the mid to upper 50s, some scattered showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. But again, no severe weather threat expected. And then Friday night into Saturday, maybe some light snow showers developing across the mountains of East Tennessee, a dusting to upwards of 1 to 2 inches possible. So here's your 7-day forecast. Again, cooler weather on the way Friday and Saturday, but a nice weekend ahead of us. We're going to be warmer on Sunday at 67. Even warmer on Monday, back to 76. Another frontal boundary swings through to Tuesday, bringing us a chance for some scattered light rain showers. And then as we get into our, we'll say Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, looks like those temperatures will cool. Through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those temperatures will cool back down to below average. So here we are. The roller coaster of spring continues with hail, severe storms, up and down temperatures. Welcome to the ride. Another reason why you should scan that QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, download the East Tennessee Weather app, join us on all East Tennessee weather platforms. You can find me on Roku TV, Amazon Fire, YouTube, the website, the East Tennessee Weather app, and all social media. Don't forget, Wake Up with Witcher starts off at 6 o'clock in the morning on our Friday morning, Monday through Friday anyways, and Saturday and Sunday at 7 a.m. We'll see you then.